Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG semester 2nd book. Yesterday we have learnt small q, small q, q for quilt, q for quilt, q for queen, q for queen, and q for quill. And I asked you to color the queen. Okay, and today we will see a new alphabet, small letter, that is R, small r, small r. R for rainbow, R for rainbow, R for rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rose. Small r, R for rainbow, R for rainbow, R for rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rose, rose flower. Have you seen or no? Rose flower. Yes. And rabbit, rabbit ani sasa. And this is rainbow. Rainbow इंद्रधनुष कहते हैं इसको. बारिश ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद जब थोड़ा थोड़ा धूप निकलती है, सनशाइन होता है, तब हमें इंद्रधनुष का 7 कलर्स, ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स आकाश में दिखता है. रेनबो यानी ये तुम्हें कब दिखता है? जब बारिश ख़त्म होने के बाद आकाश में जब धूप थोड़ा सा आती है, तब हमें ये इंद्रधनुष का 7 कलर्स आकाश में दिखता है. वी कैन सी दिस कलर. दिस इज रेनबो कलर्स दैट समटाइम्स appear in the sky when the sun shines through rain. Okay, this is rainbow. This is rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rose. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the patterns here. So, trace the lines to complete the pattern. And then this one, little you have to curve, little one, little not more, little you have to curve. इस तरह से तुम्हें लिखना है. In this way you have to write. This way. First you have to give one straight small line. After that, little curve down, little curve to the upside, come down and little upside. See one straight line, small line. After that, upside little curve you have to give like this. And what you should say? Small r, R for rainbow, small r. 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 R for rabbit, 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 small r. R for rose, 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 small r. R for rose. You have to say and write. R for small r, R for rainbow, R for rainbow, R for rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rose. This is rose flower. Outline this dotted all. Outline give in this way, slowly go on giving and give the color for the rose. Color the rose. This is a rose. This is a rose. This is a rose. Now we will See one more small new alphabet. Small new alphabet. Capital and small is same. Capital and small S is same. But where you have to write? Capital letter you write in full 3 line, no? Small s you have to write only in 2. Only in middle 2 line. Only in 4 line, in the middle 2 line you have to write. Small s. Small s. S for soap. S for soap. S for socks. S for socks. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Sunflower is of which color? Yellow. Sunflower is of yellow color. You have to give sunflower yellow color. Yes or no? Socks means you know. You are wearing socks no daily to the school. Yes. And soap means? Soap? साबन जिसको बोलते हैं. सोप को साबन. सॉक्स यानी जो तुम पैर में पहनते हो. सॉक्स मोजा. And this is sunflower. Sunflower. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the patterns here. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. In this way you have to write. This way. This is the pattern. This way you have to write. Now trace the letter S. Trace the letter S. S here. S for small s. S for soap. 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 S small s. S for socks. Small s. S for socks. Small x. Small s. S for socks. 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 Small s. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Small s for sunflower. Small s for sunflower. Small s for sunflower. Small s for sunflower. This way you have to read and write. This is a soap. This is a soap. S, small s. S for soap. S for soap. S for socks. S for socks. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. So, after writing your this textbook, you have to write small r and s in your 4-line book. See here, yesterday small letter q we have completed, no? See here, q, 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 q. And now we will write small r. We will write small r in your 4-line book. In your 4-line book. See here, in this 2 line you have to write small r. Small r. See here, little you have to do. Line this one. Small r, no? Yes. This way you have to write. In this way you have to write small. See here, you should say small r. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rose, R for rose. In this way you have to complete 2 pages. R, small r, 2 pages you have to go on writing. Now small letter S. Small letter S. You have to say and write. Small letter S. S for soap. S for soap. S for socks. S for socks. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. S for small s for soap. Small s for soap. Small s for socks. Small x for socks. Small s for sunflower. Small s for sunflower. You have to say and write for 2 pages. Full page you have to write. 2 pages. Small r 2 pages. Small s 2 pages. Now we will see capital and small letters A to S. A to S. See here. Capital and small letters. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Now capital R, small r, and this is capital S, small s. Capital letters A to S. In this way you have to read and write. Read and write. Have you understood? Okay. So A to S you write for 2 pages. A to S 2 pages. Small r, only small r 2 pages. S small 2 pages. A to Z will be 1 page, and A to S. A to S, capital and small letters. A to S you write for 2 pages. A to Z you write 1 page. A to Z. Okay. This is the homework for you. We have completed small letters A to S. Okay. See here. A for ant. A for actor. A for aeroplane. B for basket. B for bus. B for bird. C for cake. C for cat. C for candy cane. D for dog. D for desk. D for dinosaur. Match the pictures also we have completed. E for exercise. E for exercise. E for elbow. E for envelope. F for fish. F for foot. F for fan. F for fan. G for gift. G for girl. G for Gava. H for hair. H for house. H for hat. Circle the picture. We have already circled the correct letter with the help of the picture. I for idlis. I for insect. I for ink pot. J for jackfruit. J for jeep. J for jelly. K for kite. K for kitten. K for kettle. L for lips. L for ladder. L for lamb. And select the correct picture also we have selected, and we have ticked the correct picture. Revision of the letters from A to L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mitten. N for nose, N for nurse, and for nuts. O for olives, O for omelette, O for otter, O for otter. P for peanut, P for plum, P for papaya. Match the pictures also we have completed. Q for quilt, Q for queen, Q for quill. R for rainbow, R for rabbit, R for rose. S for soap, S for socks, S for sunflower. We have completed A to S and capital letters A to Z. After writing this 4-line book and also your textbook, you color the sunflower. You color the sunflower. Give the first, you give the outline. Okay, give the outline and then afterwards you color the sunflower. Okay children, have you understood now? Now we will learn one more new rhyme. We have already completed the rhymes. I completed the rhymes. I hear thunder, teddy bear, and also old MacDonald. Old MacDonald. Now open page number 55. Sounds of animals. Sounds of animals. See here. The dog says bow wow. The cat says meow. The pig says oink oink. Oink oink. The owl too. The duck says quack quack. The crow cow cow. The hen cluck cluck. The donkey he haw. He haw. Okay. Sir, animals, the sound of animals. You know children, the sound, the animals also have some sound. Okay. See here. Sounds of animals. The dog says bow bow. The dog says bow bow. The cat says meow. The cat says meow. The pig says oink oink oink. Oink oink. The pig says oink oink. The owl too. The owl too. The duck says quack quack. The duck says quack quack. The crow cow cow. The crow cow cow. The hen cluck cluck. The hen cluck cluck. The duck he haw. He haw. The dog says bow bow. The dog says bow bow. The cat says meow. The cat says meow. The pig says oink oink. The pig says oink oink. The owl too. The owl too. The duck says quack quack. The duck says quack quack. The crow cow cow. The crow cow cow. The hen cluck cluck. The donkey he haw. He haw. The donkey. This is the sounds of animals. You have to learn by heart. The dog says bow wow. The dog says bow bow. The cat says meow. The cat says meow. The pig says oink oink. The pig says oink oink. The owl too. The owl too. The duck says quack quack. The duck says quack quack. The crow cow cow. Cow cow. The hen cluck cluck. The donkey he haw. He haw. These are the sounds of animals you have to learn by heart. The homework will be children A to Z one page, A to S only small letters, capital and small letters A to S 2 pages. R I have completed today. Small R 2 pages, small S 2 pages. This is the homework for you, and learn by heart sounds of animals. Page number 55. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.